I'm Brian Parks here at Steve's Auto. Today we have a 2008 Ford F350 that came in for a intermittent rough aisle. Basically seems like it was having a misfire on just one cylinder and it wasn't happening all the time. What we were able to eventually get into once it started to put the check engine light on and stored some codes, we had a cylinder 4 misfire. And after looking into a couple things, one of the most common faults for this is the high pressure fuel injectors, being a diesel truck, going bad. Being that this truck has about 120,000 miles on it, and it doesn't seem like we have any history of these being replaced before. And being also probably about 12 years old now, almost 13 years old, probably all original, probably time to do one. But if you do one, because of how much time it takes to remove all the components to get down to a valve cover, and underneath the valve cover remove the injectors, and we'll show you what that looks like in a little bit, it's really best to do all 4 on one bank, or even all 8 between the 2 banks, to replace those injectors, put it all back together, and make sure this thing will be running on top when everything's set and done. Again, going through the injectors, best thing that you could try to do to avoid any service like this is to keep up on your regularly scheduled maintenance, especially with the oil changes, making sure that they're done in a timely manner and not going overdue, making sure that your oil level is always kept full, clean. In some cases, about 100,000, 120,000, they will be due for replacement just by age and the wear and tear, the heavy pulling, all the things that go into having a diesel truck and the type of work that they're used for.